Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to download YouTube videos using Python. So we need a library called Py2. So we will install that using command prompt. So this library is already there in the system, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. And if this library doesn't support, try to download another library Py3. Okay, and this is also there in my system, and I'll directly jump to Python file. This is code, and we are inputting YouTube attribute from Py2 library, and we are taking user input link, and this is the main command line. YouTube attribute is taking the input and strings. First means this is the first video you are going to download, means in the queue it will be the number 11, and this download will tell to download the video, and we will add two print statements. Don't worry. And save the file. Now run the file. And it is asking for link, and I have pasted some, and it is downloading. And see, this video is downloaded successfully, and this file will be stored in the file where you have saved this Python file. Let me check and see, this is the file which we downloaded. Thank you.